Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rahaf Shahrani. My colleague Ms. Rubaia'an and I will demonstrate how to use Mendeley easily. This video will show you how to create a Mendeley custom groups, multiple ways to import references from online databases, multiple ways to insert references in Word document, and how to format a bibliography. This is the main library, and it is better to create a permanent group for the references for each research. When you are writing your paper, Mendeley will help you to manage your references easily. The first method of importing is online search. Click this button, select the online database, build your search, select the references and add it to the group. Now in Word, click where you want to add your citation. Then click on Insert Citation Search for your reference. Now it is inserted into your paper and successfully formatted. You can also add more than one reference to the same sentence. For importing references from PubMed, use the Firefox browser and you have to download Mendeley Web Importer from their website using these steps. Then you have to sign in with your account. Now in PubMed, perform your search, select the reference, click Cite Link and click on Download. And in Word, click where you want to add the citation, then click on Insert Selected Citation, and here it is. Also, you can insert references if your manuscript is already written. Using Google Scholar, perform your search, click on Import, drag it to your group and select it. Now it is inserted. Let's now import from Science Direct. After performing your search, click on Export button and choose this format. Drag it and select it, and it's been added. Also, you can create references manually. Click on Create New Reference, write the author's name, the year, and the rest of information. Click on Save and it's been added. Now, if you list all of your references, click on Insert Bibliography to add the list. To change the bibliography, select the style from the list of favorites, and it will be changed accordingly with the references list. You can also rearrange the sentences as you like, and Mendeley will update the references for you, and it will instantly update the references if you delete some. Thank you, and Mendeley can do a lot more than this. Visit their website to learn more.